How to change screen timeout on Windows. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily change the screen timeout settings on Windows. First off, go to your Start menu and then open up your settings. Once you get to the settings, go to System and then find your display settings right here. Then if you scroll down here, you'll have other options like scale, display resolution, display orientation, and if you go to advanced display settings, you'll find all of the information about your display. You could also view your display adapter properties from here. Now, in order to change the timeout settings, what you need to do is go to the Systems tab and then again find the option called Power and Sleep or Power and Battery. Click on it. Now here you'll see the screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. Click on it. Now when you're plugged in and when you're on battery, these are two separate options. So I'm plugged in right now. So what I'm going to do is when I'm plugged in, I can change my screen turn off to, let's say, 3 minutes. So if I leave my screen untouched for 3 minutes, it's going to turn off automatically. And you can also put your device to sleep after certain minutes, and then make your device hibernate after this time. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.